Hey, welcome to the first of 7 videos to help you get started with your vacuum erection device. And whether we're talking about the Postivac or the Erection systems, these videos will help you each step along the way. Now, the first video is focused on unboxing the device, making sure that everything you thought you were going to get, you receive, and making sure the vacuum works. Here we're showing you the unboxing of an Osborne Erection steam automatic system. You will receive the user guide, very important part of the process, always keep that handy. You'll receive a battery operated pump with 3 AA batteries for this particular system. Also the cylinder that comes with the system. In addition to that, you will receive 4 Osborne tension rings, and we'll cover the tension rings starting in session 3 of these coaching sessions. In addition to that, you will receive 5 ounces of water-based lubricant. Water-based lubricant is key. Here I'm showing you the loading device for loading the tension rings onto the cylinder. We'll talk about that more in session 5, but I just want to show you that this comes with the Esteem automatic and manual systems, but not the Esteem classic system. Finally, you receive the inserts, and those are different depending on the particular product that you get. With the Esteem systems, you'll receive 2 inserts, and we'll talk about the inserts more in session 3. With the Postivac systems, you may receive more inserts that come with the system. And then you'll also receive this zippered case, and we'll talk about storage, cleanup of the device, and the accessories in session 7. Now here we're showing you 3 other systems we have on our timmedical.com website. This is the Postivac Automatic 3000, the Esteem Manual, as well as the MVP 700. And just important thing to do is just check the website, make sure that everything you receive is what is listed on the website. We want you to be successful. Now, the final thing you want to do after you unbox your system, make sure you have everything that you need, is make sure the pump is working properly. So the first thing I want to do is, with the pump by itself without the cylinder, is just get a good press of the button, make sure that I've got a good seal against the palm of my hand. And then you can see there that's working. And then I also want to engage the cylinder by inserting the pump into the cylinder, and then do the same thing. Just make sure I'm nice long depression of the button. And then you can see there that I've got a good seal. The pump works, the pump attached to the cylinder works, everything's working as it should. Same thing with the Esteem system. This is a manual pump. I'm going to do the same thing, just a couple of squeezes here with this, and you can see here that I got a good vacuum seal here, and then I want to attach the pump to the cylinder. Make sure that I've got a good seal right here, and then do the same thing where I just a few engaging pumps with the handle here, and then you can see that I've got a good vacuum seal. You can hold this upside down when you do it, and then it just sits there by itself. You can see I'm not holding on to it. I've got a good seal, so the pump works, the cylinder works, everything works. Make sure that you have that. If you don't, if you've tried this by itself, or you've tried the pump attached to the cylinder and you're not getting a good vacuum seal, even in the palm of your hand, you got a good seal right here, then let us know, and we can take care of that. That concludes session 1 of our coaching. We're going to move on to session 2, where we talk about proper body placement of the cylinder at the base of the penis. We'll also focus on making sure that you create a vacuum seal. It's one thing to do it here, it's another thing to do it against the body with some different angles. So we'll focus on that in session 2.